Assalamu alaikum students, hope you're all fine. This is your English class and today we are going to continue our same topic, that is articles. But here today we have to deal with the second type of the article, that is definite article. And we have come to know yesterday that the is the definite article and the is used before the word denoting a particular person or thing. So today we will go through the use of the definite article. First point is the is a definite article. Yes, the is a definite article. We can use the definite article before any common noun. We can use it before any common noun, but that very common noun, which either in a singular represents the class or a kind, or which is a well known or already mentioned or immediately to be इंट्रोड्यूस्ड, जिसके जो पहले ही जिसका जिक्र किया गया हो या जिसको हम पहले से ही जानते हो या फिर जिसके बारे में हम इंट्रोड्यूस करने वाले हो आगे. एग्जाम्पल है द मदर इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द बेबी. मदर इज एक्चुअली अ कॉमन नाउन. इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द बेबी, but there's a use of the, because we know that mother is some particular mother which is taking care of the baby. किसका baby? is mother का baby. तो baby is also a common name, but here it signifies the particular baby. It is the baby of this mother. Okay. He threw the ball in the river. He threw the ball. The ball is a common noun, but here it is a particular ball he was having. He was possessing any kind of a ball, and that very ball he threw into the river. So they is used before the common noun, that is ball. The girls were not in the stadium. So these are the particular girls, isn't it? These are the some specific girls which were supposed to be in a stadium, but they are not there. They will go to the school next week. They will go, ये कोई group of persons है. They will go to the school, और उनको पता है कौन सा school है. Whether otherwise school is a common name, but here it signifies any kind of a particular school. तो जिनका इसको पता है कि they are going to their school, so they is used before school next week, or before a common noun in the singular to denote a class or a kind. Just like the cinema, isn't it? Let us go to the cinema. Isn't it? It's a common noun, the cinema, but it's a particular, the singular and denote the class. That's the cinema, isn't it? And another thing, or we are having an example. The rose is the queen of all flowers. Here, the rose. Rose is a common noun, but it signifies the class of the roses, because there are different types of rose, yellow, red, white. But here the name rose is defined as the class. The pen is mightier than the sword. The pen here, it also denotes the class. These used to the things that are only one in the world or unique. Those things which are unique in the whole universe or in the world, the is used before that very things. Just like sky. Sky is unique. Sky is only one in the whole universe. So we write the sky is blue. The sun. Sun is also the unique. The sun sets in the west. The stars shine in the sky. The is used to refer to the parts of the body. Just like lungs, heart, we use the there. Smoke is harmful for the lungs. Lungs are the parts of body, so we use here the spleen. Spleen, isn't it? Is a part of a body, plays an important role in immunity. The heart pumps blood in the body. The definite article is used before dates or periods of time, not the years. Years के आगे नहीं, but before dates or periods. just as it is a popular song of 1980s. It means 1980s. Here it is a year. It's a period, 1980s. It's a period here. They married on 20th of April as a date here. Here it is, the years before dates or periods of time. 2018 was a wonderful year. It is also a period, that is 2018 whole year. There is used before the names of seas, rivers, deserts, mountains, and the names of the large public buildings. Also, it includes used before the canals, before the group of islands, not the single island, just like the Andamans. Before the holy books, just as the Quran. Before the names of the newspaper generals, the Hindustan Times. Example, Delhi stands on the banks of the Yamuna. The Yamuna. Yamuna is a river. The Sahara is the famous desert. The Sahara. We visited the Taj Mahal historical building before the historical buildings. Or we can say it's also this well-known building. She came across the Himalayas. The Himalayas. Popular this mountain. There is used before rivers, oceans, and seas, just as we have already written here, like the Nile, the Pacific. There is used before the points on the globe, just like the equator, the North Pole, the South Pole. These are the points on the globe. Geographical areas like the Middle East, the West, with directions. Now, with deserts, forests, gulfs, and peninsulas, etc. Now, where the should be omitted, where the should not be used. Do not use the before the names of most countries. बहुत सारी कंट्रीज के साथ द नहीं आता है और टेरिटरीज के साथ, जैसे इटाली, मैक्सिको एक्स्ट्रा. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि हर किसी कंट्री के साथ नहीं लगता है, लेकिन कुछ ऐसी कंट्रीज है जिसके आगे द लगता है, जैसे द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स, द नीदरलैंड्स. ये कुछ एग्जांपल्स है जहाँ पे हम द लगाते हैं, या द फिलीपाइंस. Also, the should not be used before the names of the cities, towns, states. Also, the names of the streets, गलियों के नाम के आगे नहीं. Names of the lakes, example, Lake Erie. लेकिन ग्रुप ऑफ लेक्स के साथ लगता है, जैसे कि द ग्रेट लेक्स. दीज आर द ग्रुप ऑफ लेक्स. तो ग्रुप ऑफ लेक्स के साथ लगता है, लेकिन एक सिंगल लेक के साथ नहीं. नेम्स ऑफ कॉमन माउंटेन्स. ओके, कॉमन माउंटेन्स के साथ नहीं, unless and until it is some particular, it's some popular mountain. Also, the names of the continents, इनके साथ भी नहीं लगता है. Okay, you can go through some examples. If you are having any grammar book, you can try whether you have got all these things in your mind. Okay, thank you. This is all for today. Have a nice day.